Okay, so I went around and gave it a little bit of fresh paint, and it's looking really good. Some of it probably could have washed off, but it was just easier to brush it off the best I could and give it some fresh coat. And there were some spots that needed covering too, so looking good. So the brakes, we just tested them, and it appears that I do not have a leak. So here's the new connector, the new line, and then there's another connector right underneath there. You can't see it, but it's behind there. And apparently I do not have any leaks right now. So there was this is where a junction was. Let me show you. So it's this right here is where two lines met. And the fittings I have didn't fit it. So I decided to take it out totally. And when I tried to take the bolt, it broke anyways. So probably not useful. I'm gonna put some rubber in there, zip tied or wired or something. I don't want it bouncing around. That's the main thing. I don't want it bouncing against the metal. So I'm gonna somehow connect it there, right there, so it can't just bounce. And then I'm ready to put the shield back on. I already tried it and it fits. I just Z-zipped to the inside of it. And I got some lock washers for the two bolts. They look a little, the threads on them look a little weak, so I don't want to put them on too hard, but I think they'll still be okay. Okay, let's get it back together, and then I need to bleed the lines because the brakes are not real hard yet, but I think there's some air in the line is what I'm guessing. Okay, let's get it back together.